When it comes to aquariums, nitrogen is the invisible danger to all of your fish. Understanding the nitrogen cycle is your key to creating a thriving ecosystem. In this video, I will break down the biochemistry behind your fish tanks into a simple and easy to understand lesson on understanding the nitrogen cycle. My goal of this breakdown is to give you a better understanding on the invisible process that keeps your fish thriving. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section, or you can message me on Instagram. If you gained something from this video, you can return the favor by hitting the like button, subscribing, and leaving your favorite fish in the comments down below. Nitrogen first enters the water through fish waste and decomposing organic matter like uneaten food and dead fish or plants. High levels of nitrogen create toxic conditions for fish and excessive nutrient levels in water, resulting in increased algae growth. Nitrogen in an aquarium first comes in the form of NH3 ammonia, which is then broken down into NO2 nitrite and then NO3 nitrate through the process of nitrification. We commonly refer to this process as the nitrogen cycle. When people ask if your aquarium is cycled, they are asking if your aquarium has developed a healthy nitrogen cycle. In these models, nitrogen is represented by the color blue, hydrogen is represented by the color white, and oxygen is represented by the color red. Specialized autotrophic nitrifying bacteria consume the NH3 ammonia and dissolved oxygen in the water and convert it into NO2 nitrite and then NO3 nitrate. Autotrophs are organisms that prepare their own food through the process of photosynthesis. As a basic example, think of plants in your aquarium that consume the nutrients straight out of the water column. At this point, the NO3 nitrate is then brought down to a safe non-toxic level or removed from the tank by either being consumed as a food source for plants or manually removed from your aquarium by a water change. This is where the nitrogen cycle ends in most aquariums. However, there is another way to lower nitrates naturally that is utilized by some advanced filtration setups that purposefully create special conditions for denitrification to occur. Specialized heterotrophic nitrifying bacteria found in low oxygen environments are able to convert the NO3 nitrate molecules into N2 nitrogen gas, which then bubbles to the surface of the water and gases off. Heterotrophs are organisms that cannot prepare their own food and depend upon autotrophs for nutrition. As a basic example, think of fish that get their nutrients by consuming the plants that have already consumed nutrients out of the water themselves. Denitrifying heterotrophic bacteria is able to convert the NO3 nitrate into N2 nitrogen gas when the bacteria requires oxygen but is not able to consume the dissolved oxygen out of the water. Since this bacteria is unable to consume the dissolved oxygen in the water, it consumes the oxygen from the NO3 nitrate. As the N2 nitrogen gases off, the nitrogen is removed from the aquarium, lowering the amount of nitrate in the water to safe levels for your fish. For 5 proven tips to lower your nitrates, click on this video on the left side of the screen. Thanks for watching and happy fish keeping.